And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the starting lineup for your Chicago Express. At left wing number 40, Henrik Zetterberg. At right wing number 16, Teddy Purcell. At center number 21, Derek Stepan. And in goal number 35, Dwayne Roloson. Ladies and gentlemen, the Saskatoon Blizzard. The head coaches for the Express are Joel Quenville, and the assistant coach is Mike Keenan. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise, remove all hats, and join us at the presentation of the anthems. First, the Canadian National Anthem. And now, the American National Anthem. Thank you and enjoy the game. Welcome to the United Center in Chicago, where today we have a makeup game from week 3. This is the Blizzard and the Express. This was actually supposed to be the Cold Hard Classic matchup in week 5, which is actually at the end of this week. That is now Thunder and Express after the Canada Classic was put out. The Blizzard were in that game, and the Thunder are now in a Cold Hard Classic. For the first time since 2018, they're in one in 2021. So nearly 3 years they haven't been in one. So here we go. I'll let you know what the attendance figure is at the end of the first. I have it right here. Anyways, it's time to get started. Stepan and Megan on the draw. Kyle Pozo back from his injury. He is back and ready. And the draw, the game's underway, back in the corner, and we're having problems already. Sent up, they turned it over. Okposo looking to come back with a bang, but he, and a goal! And they were only doing a couple of blasts. I don't know if that was in. I don't believe that was in. They're saying it's in, they can't review it now. They're saying it went in. A quick goal. Do you think the play was offside? 11 seconds in, another really quick goal. Teddy Purcell, he has his 3rd of the season. It's 1-0 Chicago instantly. Again. Wait, they stopped the music. I think we all know what this means. Wow. We're getting the review horn already. And we're only 11 seconds into the game. Are we getting a call here? After video review, it has been determined that the play was not offside. We have a good goal. And they blow the horn one time to signal that they scored a goal. They just blew it one time. No fog either. Because again, you want 5 goals that you can use the fog with, and then they can shut it off. 11 seconds in. It's already 1-0. What a stop, Rolson. Sends it up. Purcell. And a stop by Carter Hart. Send him to the bench there. A couple of good stops there. I believe the Rolson one was a bit better. He's sliding back into the net. Carter Hart, just a casual high save. Purcell finally get into it. Oh, it's turned over, knocked away. Sent up. Back to Zetterberg. He shoots. Not go. Oh, he had a wide open net. Pozo panicked. He should have put that one in. He had a wide open net. Trying to give it. A miss there from Derek Stepan. Hart back. He fires it up ahead. Pozo. What was that? That did not hit anything in the ice. He just plain fired that out of bounds. He missed the net by like 8 feet. That was a horrible miss. Blocked. Purcell has it. From the circle and a save. Got to add a second back to the clock. They do. And they do it nice and quick. And so we're ready to resume. Here's the draw. And a shot almost bounced in. Rolison catches it though before it could. Looked like an offside. The refs, they're saying no offside. The Blizzard want a call. But they're not getting one. Either an offside or a line play. But either one. It would have resulted in a stoppage of play. But they're letting the play continue. If there would be almost an own goal. Here's a shot turned away. They have to wait for the next whistle. In order to review it, they have to wait. They can't review it until a whistle. Send it back. Here's a Pozo. He shoots, missed the net. We still have not had another whistle. Oh! That's a legal goal. That is legal. But I don't know if it's going to count. But I believe the offside on Chicago, that would actually benefit Saskatoon. They got to take a look. They got to take a look at this. We haven't heard a horn yet from Situation Room. There it is. They want another review. They want another review. We'll be back to check this. All right, we're going to get the call after review. It has been determined that the play was offside. Therefore, Saskatoon's goal does not count. Please reset the game clock to 2:10. The game clock is reset to 2:10, but more importantly, the goal does not count. So now, Saskatoon's going to get the draw over here. So we just jumped back nearly 40 seconds. We jumped back 39 seconds. And to be fair, it felt like an eternity. We went 39 seconds after the offside, and now we're back. 2:10 to go. So we are now still in the first minute. Purcell elects not to shoot. It might have been a mistake. But Rolison bails him out. That was a great save. He hit it off the tip of that glass. I don't know why they didn't call the offside in the first place. It looked like it was offside, but they reviewed it. They got it right. But the Blizzard were not too happy because it took the goal away. So it's still 1-0 rather than being tied. Oh, he missed the open side. They don't know that it went out of bounds. They're saying the play should go on. So a lot of clock problems early. And he missed the open net. Another example of a player panicking. Drop it back. Shot. No rebound. Rolson another save. And he makes another one. That was a good one too. Henrik Zetterberg can't pull it off the boards. Now it's on the line. Here's a shot and a miss. And an offside again against Chicago. They caught it this time and they touch it up. 1:35 left. I feel like they should let the play continue if the touch-up goes into the other team's end. I feel like they should allow the play to continue, but they don't. We're almost back to where we were before the offside. Another great save by Rolison. And another good save. And another good save. Rolison is all over the place. All right, so now we are past where we were on the offside. We're past it now. In fact, we are now 11 seconds ahead of it. Turned over. Save! Oh, it hits the post! I believe it deflected on net. And he threw himself to the other side of the ice. Okposo could not retain his footing. With 1:12 left, here's the face-off. A shot, another save. Sends it up. Across. Okposo fires. Another good save. This time Carter Hart. Rolison is just all over the place tonight. This afternoon, he's just all over the place. Purcell having some trouble. Turns it over and a save. Rebound. And again. I believe that was more of a block than it was a save. And a lot of back and forth shooting. They turned it over. It's there. And a turnaround from Stepan does not go. Opozo and around 40 seconds left after the stoppage. Offensive struggles. Both teams trying to get shots on net. They have not been able to. Still 1-0. Here's the face-off. And what was that? It came back, though, so Zetterberg was lucky there to get a shot. Puck on the line here. Patrick Sharp sends it across. Opozo fakes it, sends it back. Sharp is blocked by his own guy. And see, Purcell missed that one. And the puck is somewhere over here. I heard it. Oh, it's here. Never mind. I believe it bounced back, I guess. So the face-off here. I mean, I still don't understand why they didn't just call that face-off on the that offside on the ice. I don't know why they didn't either. But they went back, reviewed it, got it right. Oh, we have an offside against Saskatoon now. Wide open. He missed the net. Teddy Purcell, an epic fail there. But they'll still get the face-off. That was... it was wide open up close to the red line. And he couldn't drain it. 18 seconds to play. Stepan trying to get around. Can't do that. Rebound, stop. Oh, what a save again! And he scored! After an epic first period by Dwayne Rolison, he finally gives one up, and it looked like it was one he had 8 seconds to play. It's tied at 1. Kyle Opozo gets his third, finally back from injury. Kyle Opozo's first goal back from injury. If that were a little bit lower, I say Rolison makes the save, but man, he's been all over the place tonight. He's been all over the place this afternoon. He has been. That was an epic showing. That was insane. Epic. And we're getting a little delay here. And it looks like the officials are ready to restart. 8 seconds to play, and it goes out of bounds. Dwayne Rolison had an epic first period. So many great saves. He made at least 5 or 6 great saves, and then he finally gave one up. He had an amazing first period. Looked like an offside on Saskatoon, so they're going to have to stop the play again. 3 seconds left, and it looks like Opozo, instead of shooting it down there, bringing it nicely to the line to avoid a brawl. We don't need another one of those, because we've seen a lot of those in the last couple of weeks. And an offside, the puck is in the net, but it was in illegally. So the period's over, and we have a 1-1 score. And this is my time to tell you our attendance figure for tonight as I switch the players here. 19,717 sellout here at the United Center. These fans, they love their team. 19,717. United Center sells out once again for the second time already this regular season. I feel like Chicago, they might sell out almost every home game. We'll see. Anyways, we are tied going into the second period. I might as well just do one take now. Anyways, here's the face-off, and they score! Dwayne Rolison instantly gives one up. And after the period that he had, he gives one up in 2 seconds. Wade Megan is tied with Patrick Sharp as the leading scorer on the Blizzard at 5. Both players have 5. Patrick Sharp does not have a goal yet in this game. So we're just going to wait and see who has that honor of leading scorer. The Blizzard immediately lead 2-1 here in this period. Zetterberg sends it up. Whoa! That looked like it would have been legal had it gone in, but Carter Hart making a great play and uneven ice. Ruins that play, sends it up, and a great save. Oh! Rolison didn't even have to make a great save there. It missed the net, and he makes a good one there, too. Sends it up. Raposo offside he goes. He touches it in their end, but that doesn't matter, and they score! 3-1 immediately. 2 goals in 29, or like 21 seconds, I believe. 21 seconds? 27? I don't even know. I don't even know anymore. But Saskatoon has 3 in a row. 2 goals in 27 seconds. 2 goals in 27 seconds. Pozo gets credit. He's got 4. 2 in the game. And we just hope this doesn't become yet another blowout at home for Chicago. It was on the delayed offside, too. 3-1. Here's a turnaround. Does not go. Rolson had an amazing first period. Now he's all of a sudden giving up 3 in a row. You see Pozo flew out there. Here's a shot, missed the net, and the play, if someone flies out, the play is allowed to continue. Megan goes into the corner, sending it across. What a pass, and an offside, and that is not a legal goal. Yeah, you heard it. You heard it hit the boards. However, the offside overrules it, but the Chicago gets the face-off in the same spot anyway. Here's a shot. Oh, Purcell with another miss on a wonderful opportunity. And why is he not in play? They blow the whistle. They didn't let Pozo get back into play. So they're going to have to face it off in Saskatoon's end now. They don't really have a solid rule for that. They need to make a solid rule for it. They don't need it, Pozo getting hurt again. They've already lost him once. They really can't afford to lose him again. So he's back in play. Here's the draw. It's kept out. And a shot. Great save by Carter Hart. Basically, if you're the goalie at this end of the ice, there's another offside, by the way. You have a great period, and then you give up 1. And it bounces away. And they finally blow the whistle. They should have blown it earlier. Another late whistle from the officials. They got to be quicker with those whistles. It should have been blown like 3-4 seconds earlier. Here's a shot, and Purcell can't capitalize again. Oh my God, Zetterberg misses the open net. Oh, what a deflection, and what in the world was that, Patrick Sharp? You had a wide open. Oh, it almost bounced back and in. If it hits uneven ice, then goes in, it doesn't count. I don't know how that one went out of bounds. It should not have gone out of bounds, so that just slows down the game even more. We are halfway through the game. It bounces back. Here's a shot by Zetterberg. He cannot get a good one. Here's a Pozo. And Rolson able to catch it before it can go in. What skill. He misses that one. Turns it over. Score! Henrik Zetterberg. It's a 1-goal game. There's really no excuse to give that one up. Zetterberg finally has another goal. He had 1 goal. Now he's got 2. Zetterberg is tied for second on the team now. Stepan has 6. No, he's actually last. He's actually last. I lied. Because Purcell has 3, Zetterberg has 2, and Stepan's still in the lead with 6. Drop back, Sharp in the corner. Trying to ring it around. Pozo sends it, they turned it over, and another save by Hart, and he drops it into the corner where Sharp picks it up again. He turns it over this time. Zetterberg ends up missing. That was a horrible miss. That missed by like 20 feet. What a pass, but not a good shot though. Purcell and another save. Up ahead, a turnover, and again can't capitalize. Knocked away, and we got a penalty coming up for sure. It will be on Zetterberg, wide open, and a crossbar, and we're going to have our first penalty of the game. Maybe a double? Are we going to see a double? We might, because he hit 2 guys. I think for now it's a minor, but then they'll have to go to review. Chicago, number 40, 1 minute illegal contact. Oh, we're already hearing the horn. They want I think Situation Room wants a double minor. We're going to have to check. All right, we will now get the verdict. And the mic is not connected. So, okay, it's now connected. Here's the call. After video review, it has been determined that it is only a minor penalty. The second hit has been ruled minimal contact. So number 40 will still have 1 minute for illegal contact.
No, God, please, no, 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 no.
All right, minimal contact it is. So 1 penalty, that's it, just one. Just 1 penalty has been called. And I believe that that is the right call. Just calling 1. And now they got to put it up on the scoreboard. It's 2-17. Zetterberg scored the goal, and now he's in the box. It turned out that you saw Patrick Sharp was kind of out of position. And as a result, they call minimal contact, which, trust me, it's the right call. Saskatoon will get a power play until 2:43 the next period, so it's going to carry over to the next period. Here's the face-off. We're underway in this power play, and a shot does not go. Goalie turns it over. I think he was trying to give it back to Opozo. He was, but then he missed him. Wasn't a good pass. Goal post there, and that one's going to hit the post as well. Might have been a save. It was either a save or post. Here's a shot, missed it. It goes back into the corner, sends it up ahead, Sharp. Sharp fires and a save. Rebound. Wasn't a very sharp shot. Nope. Nice. And sitting on the line, and now we'll see some more passing. Drop it. Purcell, miss. Rebound, blocked. He'll try and fly at least 100 miles. And they turned it over. Now it's going to have to be goalie and skater. Oh, the period's over. They didn't realize how much time was left. The Express losing track of time. And as a result, the period is over. All right. We're gonna get to the Jocelyn's trivia question now, and it's on the Blizzard. Except I don't have the audio with me, so that's rough. I'll be right back and I'll get the audio. Alright, I've got the question and the audio. And your question for today is, how many wins do the Saskatoon Blizzard have against the Chicago Express / Birmingham Legends? You have 30 seconds. 20 seconds. 15. 10 seconds remaining. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time! Your answer is big old goose egg, 0. They do not have any wins against this team. Will that change? And a guy has not moved over yet. And now oh my God, Sharp. All right, they still have 17 seconds left on the power play, so it's not over yet. But Chicago, it's unacceptable that they lost track of time. 3-2. We're back underway. Shoot and a save. Some more passing around. Chicago looks to kill off the majority of this remaining power play, and another turnover. So the power play is not over. They'll probably get one more chance, and the shot almost went in. One wall, he couldn't get it off. Penalty's over. He's out, and another good save by Rolson. Drop it. Get it back. Zetterberg out of the box. Turns it over this time. Oh my God, Okposo. Ah! Heart. Here's a turnaround. Rolson makes the save. Purcell will bring it back. His team down by 1. And he could not get it around, so his resort is passing it to Zetterberg. And that would not have counted. It was a board bounce. Zetterberg fakes. Sends it up. Scored. We're tied. That one should not have gone in. No? No. Chicago ties it back up early in this period with Derek Stepan's 7th of the year. It's tied for the second time. Great shot there. It was a little bit high, voice crack, and then it deflected, I believe, crossbar, heart, and in. It should not have gone in. It should have stayed out. It should still be 3-2. Here's Purcell. He goes offside, and they'll just quickly touch it up. This crowd here in Chicago is hyped, and that is for sure. We're getting near the 1 minute mark of the period. They turned it over, but an offside. A perfect opportunity. But instead, an offside ruins the play, and now Chicago will get the draw right at 2 minutes left. Purcell can't get a shot off. Now he dishes it to Stepan. He's blocked. A wide open net, and he can't put it in. God, that's rough. Here's the face-off, missed the net, and we got a slow-moving third period here, folks. We are 1 minute and 8 seconds in, and we've had like 89 stoppages. 89. I don't know about 89, but it's a lot. Here's the draw. Shot blocked, and it's up and over again. Yeah, you got two teams that are definitely going to be good this season. Saskatoon, it's a bit rougher for them. All right, 149. He shoots, missed the net. Trying to get it out. Here is Okposo. Sends it up, turns it over though. Zetterberg in the corner, having some trouble with it. Zetterberg comes out with it. He shoots and scored! Chicago has a 4-3 lead with 1:35 to go. That's a big goal. I knew he was going to score that with that amazing approach. Henrik Zetterberg walks in. He gets a decent shot. I don't know about this one, if it should have gone in or shouldn't have gone in, but it hits Carter Hart. And he's had a good game. But now he's given up 3 in a row. Minute 35 left. The game's not over yet. Purcell flies around it, then sends it the wrong way. What a pass! Teddy Purcell, one of the greatest passes in this game. Sharp has it, shoots over the net and wide as well. It deflects though. Here's Okposo. He missed it high and wide. Tight. That is tough. 1:19 to go. Saskatoon, they can either call the timeout now or they're not calling the timeout. They lined up for the draw. Purcell flew out of bounds. The play is still live. Here's a turnaround and a good save. And it's turned over again. Here's Sharp. Missed it. And we're getting down to 1 minute left. And Stepan's going to shoot it. No good. We're down to 1 minute. Dish it, and a shot does not go. They're going to start killing time. They can't call a timeout until a stoppage of play, and we've got one. And Brett Hall immediately calls a timeout. His team is going to discuss strategy, being down by 1. And he gets the puck away. Chicago will do the same. 30-second timeout. For Saskatoon, Purcell has flown out twice. They can't afford to lose anybody. Chicago has been perfect. They haven't lost anybody yet. There are 49 seconds left. All right, they send the guys out, ready for the face-off. And Saskatoon has not done such yet. Still waiting on that. There's the horn. Timeout's over. Timeout is over. 4-3 the score. We've seen this a few times. I've been trying to make games a little bit lower scoring, not always going for the big shots, but going for them every so often. I've been trying. "49 seconds. The face-off to Saskatoon, and we have Sharp fly out of bounds. That's not right. They haven't pulled the goaltender yet. He shoots no, and they're going to run some time off. They have not pulled the goal yet. They turned it over. Now they've pulled the goaltender. You got Campbell on the other side. He shoots, misses, and it goes out of bounds, and they're going to send Carter Hart right back out. He's coming back out, but so is Zetterberg, and so is Patrick Sharp. He flew out of bounds. They're going to have to record that and find him. "31 seconds to go in this game." Yeah, if you're Saskatoon, you want to get shots to the net. You want to get shots on net. And that is the only way you're going to have any probability of scoring that goal to tie up the game. That is the only possible way. 31 seconds left. Saskatoon, went to Chicago. It took an awful deflection off that post. He sets it on the line now, and it's going to go out with 23 seconds left. Saskatoon has had very little opportunity. Now, they don't have a timeout. They can't take it. 23 seconds left. That hits the glass. And a little bit of a late pull. He shoots and a stop. Open net there. And he hits the post. Sitting in the crease. You see Campbell calmly take it out, and that hits the post. Wide open net. Blocked. That's a goal. Are you serious? That's a goal. 7 seconds to play. Unbelievable. That is unbelievable. I don't even know who gets the goal. That is one of the biggest, most insane turns of events in history. Purcell has the wide open net. He tries to, if he had just inched up a little bit. I don't think it was going in anyway, but that is unbelievable. We're going to have to go back and see. I think Megan's going to get credit. And indeed, it is Megan. It is Wade Megan getting credit for the game-tying goal. On an odd deflection, we've got a 4-4 tie. And both teams have 7 seconds left. And you got Joel Quenville, who just took a timeout. He's going to take his timeout. He's got 30 seconds. And Saskatoon is also going to discuss some strategy. That is one of the most insane that is the most insane turn of events I think we've seen in this game. Megan's 6th of the year. It's 4-4. Saskatoon sending their players back. A massive turn of events. Just insane what has just transpired. There's the horn saying, hey, timeout's over. Chicago sends their players back out, and he knocks the bench over again, so we got to fix that. 7 seconds to play. We got a tie game. What do? Do you hold to the last shot? I say so. If you get the puck, you hold to the last shot. Because you try your best, hold it to the last shot, so that if you miss, the other team doesn't have a chance. Like, shoot it with 1 second left, so the other team doesn't have a shot at tying it up. Or the other team doesn't have a shot at winning it. That's exactly right. You want to hold on to it. Not a single fan has left their seats. Everyone's up on their feet for this draw at center ice. Saskatoon's going to get it. They're going to try and hold it to the final shot. Dishing it. He shoots. Rolison makes the save. And this game is headed to overtime. with a 4-4 tie. The most unbelievable overtime. We'll be back. All right, overtime about to begin. Definitely did not predict this to happen. I thought Chicago, they get the empty netter. Purcell got a little too cocky, and he shot it from behind his own goal line, and then Megan blocked it and put it past Rolison after the game he's had. Anyways, overtime about to begin. 2:35. The next game starts at 4. Anyways, should be a minute and a half. Thank you. I'm nervous. Is Chicago going to lose at home once again? Or are they going to finally reel in their fans with a home win? Chicago's going to get the draw, but they turned it over, though, and a penalty coming up. Saskatoon takes a penalty. 5 seconds in to overtime. Patrick Sharp heading to the box for illegal contact. Saskatoon number 10, minor penalty, illegal contact. Thank you. Yeah, thank you, Mike Lego. We know that you can't do that. An insane turn of events there. Patrick Sharp hasn't scored at all in the game and now has a minor penalty, giving Chicago a power play in overtime. An overtime power play. And they inexplicably blew the goal horn for no reason. All right, here we go. Chicago getting the power play. Last 25 seconds left. Here's a shot. Save. Hart is down and he makes the save. Hart was down and he made the stop. Saskatoon passing it around now. They turned it over and Hart makes another save. There's a Pozo. He shoots and he goes offside and it overrules the puck going out. He had the shot. He had it. Chicago trying to win it here in overtime. Both teams are. What am I saying? Here's a shot deflected. Looked like it went out of bounds, and yes, they say it did. Not everybody, not a single person is sitting down. Well, I think they are. What do you mean? Here's the draw. Chicago gets to the shot. They score. Express win. The Express win. Derek Stepan. An overtime power play goal. And they win by 1. 5-4. Carter Hart can't make the save. And the Express finally get the win at home. And that's the game. At 30 seconds of overtime, Chicago able to come back and finally win the game here at home. Derek Stepan with his 8th of the year, I believe. And the most important goal that he scored so far. Final score this afternoon, your Chicago Express 5, the Saskatoon Blizzard 4. Thank you for coming to tonight's game. Next home game, January 1st at 7 p.m. against the Kansas City Thunder at Soldier Field. We hope to see you at the Cold Hard Classic. Thank you for watching this epic game. And you know what? I'll see you in the next one later today.